And as always, I do not peek at these. We get to experience that reveal together for the first time ever. Nobody's ever seen inside them before. It's so much fun. This one looks like it also has a little bit of fractures. So we're going to have to be very, very careful when we go to polish this. One's a little bit darker. Got some nice colors in there on the shell. Nice iridescence. Oh, that one is going to be so sweet once it's polished. I've had a few of these before. They look great, and it has beautiful light septa lines in there. Umbilicus in the center's a little filled in with sediment, but you can kind of see the light. Little micro geode pockets. Oh, that is awesome. And the third one, the correct iridescent shell. Let's see. Ooh, really cool. It's kind of a mix. Got that lighter feathering in there going into the umbilicus, and some broken up septa lines. I bet those look really, really cool polished. And our first group is all polished up. These look amazing.